Thinking about getting stronger but not sure where to start? Let's break down your top 4 strength training options so you can find the perfect fit, no matter your age or experience. First up, free weights. These are your classic dumbbells, barbells, kettlebells, even medicine balls. The beauty of free weights? They're versatile, mimic real-life movements, and help you build strength that translates into everyday life, like lifting groceries or playing with your kids. Just remember, form is key. Start light, focus on balance, and don't be afraid to ask a trainer for help if you're new. Next, weight machines. These guide your movement along a fixed path, offering stability and safety, especially for beginners. They're great for isolating specific muscle groups and make it easier to stick with proper technique. If you're just starting out, machines can give you the confidence to build strength before graduating to free weights. Third, resistance bands and tubes. These stretchy bands pack a punch for their size. They're portable, affordable, and perfect if you want to work out at home or on the go. Not only do they target all major muscle groups, but they're also great for improving flexibility and balance. Just keep in mind, if you're aiming for serious muscle gains, you might eventually want heavier resistance. Finally, don't underestimate bodyweight exercises. Think push-ups, squats, lunges, planks, simple moves you can do anywhere with zero equipment. Bodyweight training builds practical strength and can be surprisingly challenging. The best part? You don't have to choose just one method. Mix and match, find what you enjoy, and keep things fresh. Experts recommend 2 to 3 sessions a week, and switching up your routine to stay motivated and avoid plateaus. Ready to get started? Remember, check with your doctor, consider a trainer if you're new, and most importantly, have fun getting stronger.